dear children, wish you a happy new year to all. We are doing progressions in 6.1 exercise. Uh, 12th, now 13th, for what value of n? For what value of progressions? For what value of n? Or the n becomes comes of 2 APs of 2 APs of 2 APs 63, 65, 67 dash and 3, 10, 17 dash equal. See here, two progressions are given. Arithmetic progression. Common difference is same. Nth term of AP is A plus n minus 1 of D. Nth term of AP A plus n minus 1 of D. See here, two progressions are given. First progression 63, 65, 67 nth term. Second progression 3, 10, 17 given. Nth term of both the APs are equal. Nth term of 63, 65, 67 dash dash is equal to nth term of 3, 10, 17 dash dash. We have to find nth term of this and nth term of this. Both are equal. We have to equate them with the n value. Now here A equal to 63. Here B is equal to common difference 65 minus 3 2. Okay. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 of D. Nth term A 63, n only, D value 2. 63 plus 2n minus 2. 2n plus 61. Yes. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 of D. A 3, n we don't know, D 7. 3 plus 7n minus 7, that is 7n minus 4. Nth term of first series is this much, nth term of second series is this much, but both are equal given in the problem. Since both are equal, 2n plus 61 is equal to 7n minus 4. Get 7n this side, 61 this side. So 7n minus 7n plus 2n is equal to minus 4 minus 61. Minus 5n is equal to minus 65. Minus minus plus. Therefore, n is equal to 65 by 5. That is 30. So 13th term of both APs are equal. This is the solution. This is the solution. Easy and important. Nth term of the first series and nth term of the second series. You also write here A is 3 first term. Common difference 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. Substitute in the formula. 3 plus remainder. B value 7. 7n minus 7. Plus 3 minus 7 minus 4. 2n plus 61 is equal to 7n minus 4. Minus 5n is equal to minus 65. 30. Therefore, 30th term of both APs are equal. Next, page 144. Determine the AP. Determine the AP whose third term is whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds seventh term exceeds the fifth term. Fifth term by fifth term by 12. Determine the AP. And nth term of AP, A plus n minus 1 of the formula. They are given third term of AP 16. Third term A3 is A plus 2B is equal to 16. First equation. Seventh term exceeds the fifth term. That is A7 minus A5 is equal to 12. How to write A7 is without seventh term? A plus 7 minus 1, 6B minus of fifth term, 5 minus 1, A plus 4B. This is equal to 12. Opening the bracket, A plus 6B minus A minus 4D is equal to 12. A cancel, 4D is equal to 12. D is equal to 12 by 2. D is equal to 6. Substitute d value in equation 1. Substitute d value. Substitute d in equation 1. What is 1? A plus 2d is equal to 16. D value 6. 2 into 6 is equal to 16. A plus 12 is equal to 16. Therefore, A is equal to 16 minus 12. A is equal to 4. A equal to 4. B equal to 6. Therefore, the AP is equal to A plus first 4. Go on add difference B. 6. 6 plus 4 10. 16 22 dash. This is AP. AP series A plus D, A plus 2D dash. Good. Find the 20th term. Find the 20th term. From the end of the AP. Of the AP 3 comma 8 comma 13 comma dash dash 453. Here first term 3, common difference 8 minus 3 5, and the last term given 253. The question is, he is asking 20th term from the last, and this is the formula from the beginning. A is equal to A plus n minus 1 of b, and this is from the last ln ln is equal to A minus n minus 1 of b. Here A minus, but here L minus. Last term minus. Here A equal to 3, B equal to 5, and AN last term, and L is equal to 253. Write the formula. Ln is equal to n minus 1 of b. L is 253 minus n 20 minus 1. B 5. 253 minus 19. 19 5s are 95. 20 minus 1, 19. 19 minus 1, 19 into 5, 95. So this is 13 minus 5, 8. 14 minus 9, 5 and 1. From the last, forget term is 158. This is, just to change the formula. Nth term of AP from the beginning. Nth term of the nth term from the last. Nth term from the beginning of the series. Nth term from the last of the series. So n minus, that is the formula. Important, note down. 16. The sum of the fourth and eighth terms of AP, the sum of fourth and eighth terms of AP is 24, and the sum of sixth and tenth terms of is 44. Find the first three terms. Find the first three terms. Find the first three terms of the AP. Sum of fourth term and eighth term. A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. First equation, and second equation, sixth term and tenth term. A6 plus tenth term, A10 is equal to 44. So A4, what is A4? Fourth term, 4 minus 1, A plus 3D, and eighth term, 8 minus 1, A plus 7D is equal to 24. A plus A, 2A. That is 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. And R we can write as taking 2 common, or A plus 5D is equal to 12. Say this is equation 1. Simplified. Once again, sum of fourth term and eighth term. How to write fourth term? A plus 3D. How to write eighth term? A plus 7. A plus A, 2A plus 10D. 2A plus 10D is 24. So dividing both sides by 2, A plus 5D is equal to 12. First equation. Second equation, how to write sixth term? Sixth term, 6 minus 1, 5D. And the tenth term, 10 minus 1, 9D is equal to given 44. So sum A plus A, 2A plus 9 plus 5, 14. 14D is equal to given 44, or we can simplify, taking 2 common, dividing both sides by 2. A plus 7D is equal to 22. Second equation. Solving 1 and 2 equations. First equation, A plus 5D is equal to 12. A plus 7D is equal to 22. Subtracting. A cancel. Minus 2D is equal to minus 10. Minus cancel. Therefore, D is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. D equal to 5. Substitute D value. Substitute D value in equation 1. What is 1? A plus 5D equal to 12. A value, we don't know D value is 5. Is equal to 12. A plus 25 equal to 12. A equal to 12 minus 25. A equal to minus 13. A equal to minus 13. D is equal to 5. By using this, we can write the AP series. The AP series is the AP is equal to first term A plus D, A plus 2D dash. What is A? Minus 30. Add D plus 5. So minus 8. Add plus 5 minus 3. Plus 5 is minus dash. So first three terms are minus 13, 8, minus 8, minus. Last question. Starting monthly salary 70%. Monthly salary is equal to, that is A equal to 5,000 rupees. Given every year incremental means addition extra. Every year you will get extra 200 rupees per year. That is common difference. D is equal to 500. 200. Every year his salary increases 200. In which year did his salary reach 7,000? And A is equal to 7,000. When he gets 7,000 rupees, for how many years he will get 7,000? That is A. So we know A value 5,000, B value 200, and the last term 7,000. Apply formula. A is equal to A plus n minus 1 of t. A we know 7,000 given, and A given 5,000, and N we don't know. B value we know 200. 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to N minus 1 of D. 2,000 is equal to N minus 1 of D. N minus 1 by D, D is 200 here. 200 will come inside as by 200. This plus becomes minus, into becomes by. So 0 is cancelled, 2 1 are 10. 10 is equal to N minus 1. 10 plus 1 is equal to N, 11. Therefore, at 11th year, 7,000 rupees salary. So we can convert our daily life problems into arithmetic progression in using applying in the term of AP. How many years, in which year did his salary become 7 after 11 years? So like that, we finished 6.1 exercise, very important. For all the problems in this exercise, we apply nth term of the AP. On this formula only, we are doing the whole exercise. There are 4 terms: nth term, first term, nth term, n. This is D common difference. 1, 2, 3, 4. Among the 4 terms, always he will give 3. 3. 1, 2, 3 given. 4th we are finding. N we are finding. So this is the method. Please solve this exercise.